Hi mga moms, good morning. Happy Tuesday. So we will be making squash beef balls for today. So this recipe is not mine but the recipe of my sister-in-law nga actually na siya karon sa heaven. So much for that. The ingredients of our recipe are the following. So we need the squash, ato na siyang i-shred. Of course, we need also the noodles. Then ato na siyang i-boil. So we need also ahos, sibuyas, and the beef, corned beef. Okay, ato na siyang i-mekos-mekos diha. Then we need pepper and one egg, and also we need to have flour para siya mo kapot siya, guys. So, amo na siya, ato ang cornstarch. Then, nag-iisang egg. Mekos-mekos. So, ma-well combine na siya gani. Pwede sa nato siya ibutang og ref at least mga 5 minutes kung nadali ta. 5 minutes lang. Then, ato na siyang i-fry. Okay, easy rin siya kayo ka recipe, guys. Pwede na kayo mo siya on anytime or lutoon anytime. So, kana, makita ninyo no, golden brown na siya. First time na akong kaon na ni guys, kay elementary pa ko. So, thank you so much akong sister-in-law in heaven. Thank you. Enjoy cooking. Bye-bye!